How to fix a stuck iPhone screen. If your iPhone screen is frozen or unresponsive, performing a force restart will usually fix the issue. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Force restart your iPhone. 1. Quickly press and release the volume up button. 2. Quickly press and release the volume down button. 3. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. Important notes: do not slide to power off. If you see the slide to power off option, keep holding the side button until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Once the white Apple logo shows up, release the side button. Step 2. Wait for the phone to restart. Your iPhone will go through the reboot process. Once it powers back on, unlock it using your passcode. This process resolves most bugs or glitches that cause the screen to freeze. If your screen remains unresponsive, it may indicate a deeper hardware issue, and you may need to contact Apple support. I hope this guide helps. If it did, consider subscribing or leaving feedback. It really means a lot. Thanks.